Imagine a world where global warming and climate change is a thing of the past. A world where net zero is possible. Today, we at Infineon are proud to announce a breakthrough that makes a green future more of a reality. Our gallium nitride on 300mm wafers, a game changer ready to shape the future of power semiconductors. Thank you to the team and the great efforts to make this outstanding success possible. The production of gallium nitride on 300mm wafers and our continuous innovations are the result of Infineon's expertise and the dedicated hard work of our teams. This achievement demonstrates our position as the innovation leader in the area of power systems and marks a significant step forward in our ongoing success story. We are proud to be a leading force in decarbonization and digitalization to make life easier, safer and greener, together with our customers and partners.